So do you also receive a lot of leads through your Facebook lead ads and want to send them automated emails generated through OpenAI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send real-time emails to leads using AI agent. So as a owner of a digital marketing agency, I receive a lot of leads through my Facebook lead ads. So now here my objective is that when I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically using the details, OpenAI should generate an email for the same, and after that automatically that email should be sent to my lead on their Gmail account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with OpenAI and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send real-time emails to your leads using AI agents. This will help you engage potential clients instantly and improve your conversion rates. Okay, so as you all know that as a digital marketer, I often capture leads through various platforms like landing pages, forms, or social media ads. So now responding to these leads quickly is crucial to keep them engaged. So now manually sending emails can be slow and I risk losing potential clients. So by using AI agents to send real-time emails, I can instantly respond to every lead with personalized messages and important details or follow-up instructions. This ensures I never miss a chance to connect with potential clients, improving my chances of turning leads into paying customers. Okay, so here on my screen, you can see my Facebook page on which I'm running Facebook lead ads with the name Digital Dynamics. And now firstly in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built by simply connecting my Facebook lead ad with my OpenAI account and Gmail using an automation software. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad by using a lead as testing tool by Meta. So here on my screen, you can see my lead ad form, and now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to submit this form and I'm going to generate a test lead for my Facebook lead ad, then automatically an automated email generated by OpenAI is going to be sent to this particular lead on his or her email address. Okay, so now here to do so, what we are going to do is that we are going to submit this form first, and here you can see some pre-filled details such as service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. Okay, so now I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check this particular user's mail account. So this is that user's mail account, and here you can see we have successfully sent a mail to this particular user's email account with the email subject as thank you for your interest, and here you can see the sender name as Digital Dynamics and the email that is being generated over here by OpenAI. Okay, so this was all about the working of this automation, and now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ads with your OpenAI account and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Okay, so here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/in in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send real-time emails to leads using AI agents. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflow workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this Learn More hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's make that automation by simply setting up a trigger. And here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. Okay, so Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instance, so that whenever we are going to see new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the page name and the leads in form. So I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So in my Pabbly's workflow, I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics. And now after selecting my page, it is asking me to select the leads in form. So to get this leads in form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. And here in my Meta Business Suite, I'm going to select all tools, and from here I'm going to select instant forms. And here in instant forms, you can see all the lead ads form that I've created for my use till now, and you can create your own lead ad form as per your need. Okay, so now here in this particular case, I'm going to use a form which is named as new form. So moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my leads in form as new form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all leads in forms. Okay, so now after selecting my page and the leads in form, I'm going to click on the save and send as request given over here. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, again we are going to use lead as testing tool by Meta. So let me take you there. And now here in lead as testing tool, to generate the new lead, we need to delete our previous lead, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to create a new one, we are going to delete our previous lead by clicking on this delete lead button. And after deleting the lead, I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here lead as testing tool, I'm going to select my page, that is Digital Dynamics, and my form as new form. And now here to generate the new lead, I'm going to click on this preview form. And again here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the service interest, I'm going to select website design. Here for best time to contact, I'm going to select evening. And here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number. Here I'm going to enter the random company name. And then I'm going to click on this continue. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically using the lead details, I want to generate a personalized email using OpenAI for this particular lead. So now here to generate the email, I need to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So in my OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as ChatGPT, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically using the lead details, ChatGPT should generate a personalized email for that particular lead. Okay, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your ChatGPT account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to click on this API keys given in the left side bar. And here under API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create new secret key button, and here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is emails, and then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to click on this create secret key. So this is the API key, so I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to paste the API token. Now after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the AI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the AI models available over here. So in this particular case, I'm going to use my AI model, which is named as GPT-4, because I want to use this particular AI model to generate a personalized email for my lead. Okay, so now here after selecting the AI model, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So in this prompt field, I need to enter the prompt that I want to send to OpenAI to generate a personalized email for my lead. Okay, so here I'm going to enter a prompt. Alright, so here you can see the prompt that I've added, and here you can see the details such as lead name and the service of interest that I'm going to give this to the prompt to generate a personalized email for my lead. So now here, instead of entering the details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my previous steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new leads through Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map my lead's name. So I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. And now here for the service of interest, I'm going to map the service interest, and with this we have successfully entered a prompt over here. Okay, so now here after selecting the AI model and entering the prompt, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message content, that means the mail that OpenAI has generated for us with the lead's name, and here you can see the entire body of the mail. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So once we have generated an email using OpenAI, then automatically I want to send that mail to my lead on their Gmail account. So for that I need to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect by adding an action step over here. So in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. So Gmail is Google's email service that lets you send and receive emails online. So in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as send email v2, so that after generating the email through OpenAI, then automatically that mail should be sent to my lead on his or her email account using Gmail. Okay, so now here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and here I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient email addresses. So here I need to enter the email address to whom I want to send this mail. So again here I'm going to map my lead's email address. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is my lead's email address. Moving forward, here this CC and BCC field are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add CC or BCC, then you can do it as per your need. And here you can see for the sender email address, it has automatically taken my own email address, and then here is asking me for the sender name. So I'm going to enter my company name as sender name over here. So here I've successfully entered the sender name, scrolling a little down. and then here it is asking me for the email subject. So here I'm going to enter the email subject as very generic one that says thank you for your interest. So here I've successfully entered the email subject, and then here it is asking me for the reply to field. So it's a not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank, and here for the email content type I'm going to select plain, and then here it is asking me to enter the email content. So in this field I need to enter the email content which I want to send as a mail to my lead. So I'm going to map the email content that I've generated using OpenAI. So I'm going to map the content over here. Okay, so this is our email content moving forward, and then here is asking me for the file name, attachment, label, IDs and signature. So here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, and also I'm not going to send any file with the mail. That's why I'm going to ignore these fields over here. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail to our lead on his or her Gmail account. Okay, so now let's go and check it. Okay, so this is my lead's mail account, and here you can see in the inbox our lead has received an email from our company with the subject as thank you for your interest, and here you can see the sender name as Digital Dynamics, hello dummy user, and the entire body that we generated using OpenAI. Okay, so with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as OpenAI and Gmail, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically using the lead details, OpenAI is going to generate the email content for the same, and after generating the email content, automatically that mail is going to be sent to our lead on his or her Gmail account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send real-time emails to leads using AI agents. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.